it's the Stitches, and today I have a thrift flip for you. You may recall this 80s wool sports set that I got from a local thrift store for $5. I was already pretty sure I wanted to shorten the skirt, so that's where we'll start. I think overall I removed about 9 inches so the final skirt would rest around my knee. I searched the bottom hem, flipped it up, and then stitched it in place. I also noticed that the elastic was pretty short, so I just pulled it out and replaced it. This overall just made the skirt much more flattering. At first I wasn't sure what to do with the jacket, but after scrolling through some larme and hime outfit snaps, I decided to turn it into a little vest to wear over some soft and fluffy tops and blouses. Once I got a good shape that I wanted, I stitched up the side seams that I opened to remove an entire panel to fit the vest, as well as the neckline. The armholes and hem were then pressed into place and pinned thoroughly so I could slip stitch the seams to finish the garment. Lastly, I just couldn't vibe with these buttons, so I replaced them with these 40s buttons that I found in my grandmother's stash. I first found them on their original Sears card backing, but this is actually the 3rd vest that these buttons have been sewn to. I'm so pleased with the final result. I actually had a little bit of buyer's remorse after purchasing this set originally, but now that I've finally gotten around to altering it, I'm incredibly excited to wear it during the fall. That's all for this video. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you all next time. Bye!